2018 Subaru WRX Review. The 2018 Subaru WRX finishes in the middle of our compact car S. Although it is refreshed for the 2018 model year and one of the best performers in the segment, it trails many class rivals in interior quality and practicality. New for 2018. Updated suspension and steering. Updated front seat design. More driver assistance features. Pros and cons. Powerful engines. Athletic handling. Standard all-wheel drive. Roomy seats. Subpar fuel economy. Outdated infotainment system. Interior quality a notch below rivals. The Subaru WRX is a good vehicle, and if you're looking for a fun to-drive small car, the WRX is a top choice. It has energetic turbocharged engines and button-down handling, and it's one of the few cars in the class to come standard with all-wheel drive. Inside, the WRX has 2 rows of spacious seats, but it otherwise falls short of many competitors. Other cars in the class have more upscale cabins and newer tech features. The WRX also has below-average fuel economy and trunk space for the class, and while some class rivals are available as a sedan or a hatchback, this Subaru is only available in a sedan body style. We wouldn't try to talk brand-loyal Subaru owners out of purchasing the WRX, but if you're not dead set on getting a Subaru, there are better choices in this class. The Honda Civic is fairly agile on the road, and it has a high-quality interior. The Mazda 3 also has a great cabin, and it can hang with the WRX in terms of driver engagement. Oh, and both models cost much less, though neither offers all-wheel drive. We don't base our car reviews on our personal opinions. Instead, we combine the opinions of professional test drivers with quantifiable data like crash test ratings, reliability scores, and fuel economy estimates to create a complete picture of every vehicle we. The 2018 Subaru WRX is one of the best performers in the compact car class. It's available with one of 2 powerful engines that deliver great acceleration, and its adept handling will have you relishing winding roads. Standard all-wheel drive provides excellent road grip, and ride quality is generally good in the base model, though it gets worse in the WRX STI. The WRX comes standard with a 268 horsepower, turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine and a 6-speed manual transmission. A continuously variable automatic transmission CVT is optional. This is the strongest base engine in the class, and it has plenty of power and provides quick acceleration. The manual transmission has a stiff clutch and requires a lot of shifting, so the CVT might be a better choice for some drivers. The performance-oriented WRX STI features a turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder that puts out 305 horsepower. It only offers a 6-speed manual transmission. The STI's extra power is immediately noticeable when you hit the gas pedal, and it delivers a nice engine note as well. Many compact cars are more fuel efficient than the WRX. With the base engine and a manual transmission, the most efficient setup, this Subaru gets an EP estimated 21 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. That drops to 1,824 miles per gallon city highway with the automatic transmission and 1,722 miles per gallon city highway in the WRX STI. The 2018 Subaru WRX, like previous WRX models, is focused on the driver. The cabin features soft-touch materials, though class rivals have nicer interiors, and the design concentrates on function instead of form. Both rows of seats are supportive and comfortable, and the infotainment system is intuitive. However, the WRX has a smaller trunk than many competitors. This Subaru seats 5 people. Cloth upholstery and front sport seats with plenty of side bolstering are standard. Leather upholstery, a power-adjustable driver's seat, heated front seats, and Recaro sport seats are available. The front seats are comfortable and have enough support for long drives. Driver visibility is outstanding. The rear seats are roomy and comfortable too, and taller adults will have enough head and legroom, even if a tall person is riding up front. The WRX features 2 full sets of latch connectors for installing car seats. The tether anchors are easy to find and identify. The lower anchors are set a little deep in the seat but are otherwise usable. Standard features in the WRX include single-zone automatic climate control, a 6-speaker audio system, HD radio, satellite radio, Bluetooth, a USB port, a 6.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system Starlink, and a rear-view camera. Available features include a moonroof, dual-zone automatic climate control, a proximity key, push-button start, 2 USB ports, a 9-speaker Harman Kardon audio system, navigation, and an upgraded 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The Starlink infotainment system hits all the notes you want from such technology, and it has easy-to-use menus and controls. However, the display and graphics aren't as up-to-date as rivals' systems. The available telematics system is handy if you ever need roadside assistance, and it lets you find your car and lock or unlock your doors from your smartphone.